So you need 4 sets.
Right, one each for zones in the north, south, east, and west.
So we start with an empty set for north zones.
That's not how you make an empty set.
Huh? So to create an empty set, we write set with empty brackets. Got it.
We ask for zones in the north.
And run a loop which keeps asking for names.
Then we add these names to the set,
But how?
like this. Doing so,
We ask Mr. Python to put the names in the set.
yup,
Now, we have to stop this infinite loop.
Yeah. So I ask whether to continue or not. If no, we break the loop.
But let's do it differently this time.
How?
Okay, what will happen? Run the program and press enter without typing a name?
The variable will hold nothing.
exactly. So, can I write this?
Let's see. If zone is an empty string, we break. So the loop stops when we don't enter anything.
And that's okay, right?
Absolutely.
Now, if the zone isn't empty,
We add it to the set.
yup, let's change this message.
Yeah,